For this bookcase, I decided to cut it down from 6 foot to 4 foot, so it required a little bit of work, but you can see here it wasn't that bad. So I used my fest tool setup with the saw, and then I have a Craig jig for these pocket holes. So that worked out really well, and then I've added this Ryobi brad nailer, which helped out a lot on this project.
Get the fronts on this. Try it on the sides of this.
The only thing that was really disappointing about this was some of these boards in the back were warped, so I had to glue them together, which was fine, but once you glued them together, you really got to be careful with the glue, because if you don't get it all off, it really does show through on some of the staining. So for bookcase, it didn't really matter because some of the books would cover it up, but you can see up top there where I didn't quite get all the glue off, and it does show through. But I guess that gives it a little bit of character, something I would definitely be more careful with next time. But all in all, this is a pretty easy project. The Anna White bookshelf, which I modified from 6 foot down to 4 foot, and I was pretty happy with it. So it turned out really well. It's pretty nice here, and other than the stain, it worked out really well.